Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and have here the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And this is going to be a quick and simple video showing how to set it up for the first time. So if you haven't seen the unboxing, there's a link in the top right there. But once you've unboxed it, all you need to do is press and hold the power button on the right hand side for a few seconds and it will power up and you'll be back on the welcome screen. All you need to do then is hit this blue button at the bottom to continue. Now you can do this with a SIM card installed or without, and if you do want to install one, it's in the top left there. I'll leave a link in the description on how to do that as well. Once you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down and select your language and country. So in my case, English United Kingdom. I'll hit next. Now you have to agree to this top option here, but you don't have to agree to the second one. So you can go ahead and hit next. Then you'll need to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. It's optional, but obviously recommended if you do want to use the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi now. We'll come back once that's done. All right, so it's connected. Now I have the option here as well to add an eSIM. So the Z Flip 4 supports eSIM, so you can scan the QR code or bring the plan from an old device. In this case, we're not, so we'll go ahead and press skip and skip again. It's going to go ahead and check for any updates. So quite often where with a new phone or a phone that's been in a box a while, there's an update. So if there is one, it should go ahead and find it now and download it, but we'll give it a second to check for any updates. All right, once it's checked, you'll be presented with this screen, the option to copy apps and data along with your Google account. So if you want to transfer from an old phone, whether that's an iPhone or an old Android phone or a Samsung phone, you can go ahead and hit next and you'll use Smart Switch to transfer everything over Wi-Fi or by plugging in the devices to connect them. But in this case, we're going to set it up as new. So we're going to hit don't copy. But if you do want to transfer everything across and have it basically as your old phone, you can hit next and it will walk you through the steps of setting that up. Then you have the option to sign in to your Google account. So obviously if you do have a Google account, you can go ahead and sign in there or create an account. We're just going to hit skip for now. And you can tell, it tells you what you will be missing. So things to back up the apps, download apps, music, all of that. Then you have some options here about Google services and allowing your location, the scanning of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all of that, sending diagnostics. So you can turn any of these off. We'll go ahead and turn off the diagnostics one and hit accept. And then give it a second. You have the option now to choose your search engine. So you can search from any of those. We just choose Google at the top there and hit next. Now the option to protect the phone. So you can use facial recognition, that 10 megapixel camera up at the top, which just scans your face. So not that secure. You then have the fingerprint option, which uses the power button on the side, and then pattern, pin and password. So we'll go ahead and set up the fingerprint, hit continue. And you also need a pattern, pin or password. So we'll just go ahead and enter in a nice simple pin. Hit OK. And then we can scan our finger. So in this case, I'm going to do my thumb. So all you need to do is put your thumb on the scanner and just repeatedly do that, lifting off, and it will tell you to change the position of your finger so you get a full scan of it. So from whatever angle or orientation, you should be good to go. So just keep doing that until you reach 100%. And there you go, that's all done. Nice and simple. You have the option here to add another fingerprint. So if you wanted to add another finger or something else, you can do that. And we're just going to go ahead and hit next for now. Review some of the additional apps that can be downloaded. So you can see a lot of Samsung ones, some other third-party ones, say Microsoft, you've got LinkedIn, Spotify. So if you want to uncheck any of these, you can do that now. We'll just go ahead and hit next or OK. And it's just going to get the phone ready. So we'll give it a second. Get any recommended apps. So just telling you about Samsung Boost. So just go ahead and hit next. Now, if you have a Samsung account, you can sign in here or create one there. We're just going to go ahead and hit skip and it will tell you all the things you're missing out on. So Samsung Cloud, Bixby, the theme store, the Find My Mobile, Samsung Pass, the Galaxy Store, all of this. So I do recommend signing up if you don't have an account, or signing in if you do have one, because of the Find My feature basically. Then you have all these Samsung services that you can agree to. So we'll go ahead and hit agree. And then we have some information, because this is a folding phone, similar to the Fold 4, the Flip 4 has some information about protecting it. So things like don't pressing hard into the screen with your nail or your pen or anything like that. Don't fold the screen on keys, coins, keep it folded when it is in your pocket. This is an IPX8 phone, so it is water resistant, but it isn't dust resistant. So keep it away from sand and small particles. And then talking about not removing the film screen. So it's meant to be stronger, more adhesive, basically stronger adhesive around the screen protector. But you can see, hopefully, just around the front facing camera, the little plastic bit cut out there, that is the screen protector that you don't want to remove. So just telling you about that. And hit next, and then it's all finished. You can go ahead, tap finish, and we should land on the home screen, all set up. And it's going to beep because it's going to be downloading a load of updates, things like that. But that is how you set up the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. If you guys have any questions or problems, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, do please hit that like button. It really helps out the video and the channel. And if you're new, consider getting subscribed over here on the right. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video.